The panels as a component they're only working as a component of the Passive House certification. And the certification of Passive House is kind of a holistic approach, which there's mathematics involved with eking out some numbers over here and some numbers over here. So for instance, your units would have also kind of contributed to those calculations. But what we like to say is that our panels are Passive House, like Step Code 5 ready. And what that means is we're delivering the exterior wall panels, for instance, which is the part of the Passive House scope, which is important on Vienna House. They were framed 2x10 wood framing with the interior was 5/8 OSB. That OSB was taped with a ProClimber air barrier and vapor barrier tape. So that was taped to form the primary air and vapor barrier. And then on the exterior, we had the WRB membrane. That's taped to form like your secondary air and vapor barrier. So what we're essentially offering is a kind of the majority of the air barrier scope to be performed in a controlled, sealed environment. So the architects and consultants managed to come down and they could review the kind of early on in the project. They reviewed whether what we were doing was satisfactory. They kind of had some adjustments. So it allows then for you to get the majority of the air and vapor barrier done in a controlled environment. And then the connection of the panels is the only connection that you're concerned with on site. How do you detail that air barrier down where the panels join?